In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft Loop page. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Loop website, sign in with your work or school account so you have access to your spaces and content. Once you're in, take a moment to confirm you're on the correct tenant or profile if you use multiple accounts so you don't accidentally delete something from the wrong place. Next, open the workspace that contains the page you want to remove. Workspaces are the containers that hold your pages, components, and files, so make sure you select the one where the page actually lives. If you're not sure, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the page by name. There are two simple ways to delete a page in Loop. The first way is from the workspace view. In the list or navigation panel, locate the page you want to remove, hover over it, and click the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options menu. From that drop-down, choose Delete. Loop may prompt you to confirm, just to prevent accidental removals. Go ahead and confirm if you're sure. The second way is from within the page itself. Click to open the page so you're viewing its content. In the top right corner, look for the three-dot menu, click it to open the options, then select Delete. Again, confirm the action if you're asked. Both methods achieve the same result, so use whichever flow feels more natural for you, whether you're reviewing multiple pages from the workspace or you're already inside the page. After you delete a page, it isn't gone forever right away. Loop moves deleted pages to the trash or recycle bin. This safety net is helpful if you realize you removed the wrong item or need to restore content for a teammate. To recover, head to the trash area and restore the page from there. Keep in mind that items in trash may be cleaned up automatically after a retention period set by your organization, so it's best to restore anything you need sooner rather than later. A few quick tips as you delete. Make sure you have the right permissions in the workspace. If you don't see the delete option, you may not have permission to remove that page. Also, if others are collaborating on the page, let them know before you delete it so there are no surprises. And that's it. You've seen how to access Microsoft Loop, open the correct workspace, delete a page either from the workspace or from within the page, and how deletion routes the page to trash so you can recover it if needed.